Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about on how to train ChatGPT on your business. So as you can see, we are at ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is a language model that can help your business in many ways. It can be used for customer service, marketing, content creations, and much many more. Like in this video, we will show you how to train ChatGPT on your business and give you some of the examples to how it can be used effectively. So let's get started. The first example I'm going to show you over here is content creation. So let's just suppose ChatGPT can obviously provide you content creation for your business. You can use this for as your blog post, sorry, or social media posts or even product description. So let's just suppose if I write over here, I have a business for a clothing brand, and can you make me a campaign? Let's ask for a campaign for Facebook marketing. So if I ask this, and let's see what ChatGPT would provide me over here. So if I am here and I ask this, you can see define your target audience first of all, obviously set your campaign goals, choose your ad format, create your ad content, set your budget, launch your campaign, analyze your results. So these are the few steps which you can do to improve your campaign and to collect your data for obviously for your clothing brand. Obviously this is very normal prompt which I have given. You can go ahead and ask anything related to your business and it will help you out in very many much way. So obviously if I write over here, if I re-edit this, I have a clothing brand, and can you make me a blog post, as we were talking about, right? Blog post for that. So let's see what ChatGPT provide me with that. So if I click on save and submit, and as you can see over here, of course I can assist you creating blog posts for your clothing brand. However, I will need some information about your brand and the specific topics you would like me to cover in the post. Could you please provide me the details and your brand and the type of content you would like me to create? So you can see that ChatGPT is asking me a lot of questions related to my brand and my products, so that it can provide me the very specific information which I am looking for, and it can create me a blog post. Obviously there's one more thing which you can do. You can just collect multiple data from your website, if you have any website or if you have any landing page, or like multiple things. You can just copy those all those you think if that is enough for providing information on ChatGPT, just click on copy and paste that over here and simply enter that. So after that, ChatGPT will provide you the blog post you were looking for. ChatGPT can also help you out as a customer service. So what happens, like ChatGPT can be used to improve customer service. You can use it to answer common questions, provide support, and even help customers make purchasing decisions. This can save your business time and money and even improve customer satisfaction. I can also ask ChatGPT to create sales for me, for my particular business, obviously. So if I copy that or that prompt over here, I just already copied that and paste that over here. Like, can I tell you about my business first of all, obviously, and so that you can use that information to create sales. So if I enter this and let's ask ChatGPT can do that or not. However, I can provide you some general advice on how to market and promote your business. Obviously, I haven't mentioned my business. If I have mentioned my business, it would provide me the details which I've been looking for. So let's see if I re-edit this, and if I write my business is all about digital content, can you create me a social media post? You can see that obviously right away ChatGPT provided me the social media post over here, and we can just copy that and paste that wherever we want, on Instagram or Facebook. It's all on me. And if you don't like this, obviously you can just click right away regenerate response as much as you want, and it can provide you with different results whatever you were looking for. ChatGPT can also help you in a lot of ways for your business, and obviously this is one of the way. Like, just suppose you have a business for whole digital content, and you are struggling for anything, and let's just suppose I want an image which I want some suggestions from anyone, and ChatGPT can be your advisor with like that. So if I write over here, could you please could you suggest in image, obviously we are looking for image that would work well with the post for my uh, you can say like game content. So if I write this, let's see what ChatGPT will provide me with that. And you can see over here, ChatGPT asking me like, I would be happy to help. Can you provide me the with like more information about your game content? What kind of image you are looking for? Are there any specific themes or elements you want to highlight in the image? So if I write over here, yes, I usually play uh, Red Dead Redemption 2, and I want cowboy hat in that image too. Obviously this is very random information I'm putting it in, and if you have a business, you know you get the idea. Obviously this is all like as an example, and you get the idea how useful can it be for you like ChatGPT, as you can see over here. However, how about an image of cowboy hat placed on a wooden crate or barrel in a dusty western setting? So you get the idea what is going on over here, right? So you can also add post as I have shown you, like you can create your own post for social media posts, and you can also paste that over here, and you can ask like, can you go along with this description and create tell me how I can create an image. You can also ask that also with ChatGPT can help you out in drop shipping too. How? If you have a business for like e-commerce or drop shipping, obviously, so sometimes when you drop ship some product from anywhere like AliExpress or even somewhere like there are a lot of platform where you can just try to do drop ship to your Shopify store. You can not easily copy those details, product description, which you want to paste that on your Shopify store. So what happens, you can easily ask that over here on your chat GPT. So how you can do that? So let's just suppose I'm going to ask, can you write me a product description for a gaming mouse? And if I write this, let's see what ChatGPT will provide me. Obviously, I didn't give much details to my prompt, but this is an example. You can just easily copy this and paste that to your product description when you like doing your drop shipping. So it doesn't seem like you copied the product also. You are copying the product description also only if you're doing drop shipping. And obviously, it can also help you out if you have an e-commerce business online, so you can just easily get product description from over here, and as much as you want, you can even like write it down in 250 words, or you can just go with like one sentence. So ChatGPT would do that obviously, and as you can see over here, this is one liner or one sentence description is over here for all of this. So you get the idea what is going on over here. And this is all you need to know how to train ChatGPT on your business. Obviously, there are many more ways where you can just go ahead and start doing your work and start getting help from ChatGPT for your business. And these are some few examples I have shown you. So I hope you understand every single thing. Please comment down below if you have any queries. Leave a like and subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.